What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today I will be showing you guys another room tour, but this time we're at the Bellagio Casino, and this is what a fountain view king room looks like. Let's get into it. When we first walk in, on the left here, we're greeted by a full-length mirror, and then on the right is the bathroom. Now the bathroom is quite interesting because of the shower, which I'll show you in a second, but you have two double mirrors, a magnifying mirror right there, two sinks, your hair dryer and towel are on the shelf below. You have your toilet and then a phone next to the toilet, which is something we don't always see. And then if we turn right, we have the shower. And this is what the shower head looks like. So it's not like adjustable or removable or anything like that. But here's where it gets weird. There is no door right here. So you literally step into your shower, take your shower, and then you step over here to the right of the shower and dry off. Like the water is not gonna reach it. So I don't know. I think this concept is interesting. I feel like it'd be cold, but tell me what you guys think, because I don't know. I'm a little perplexed about it. It's a cute setup, don't get me wrong. But yeah. So then if we leave here, next to the bathroom, we're greeted by the closet. And the closet is pretty deep. You have your wall safe, which is inside the closet wall. So it's not like, it's like actually attached to the wall. And then you have your hangers, robe, ironing board, things like that. So if we close this, now let's check out the room itself. So when you walk in, you have your countertop area. They give you a little magazine. And then again, this is like weighted trays and snacks that you have to pay for yourself. It does not come included. And then if we open up this cabinet, we're greeted by a mini fridge, which is filled with things that you need to pay for. So it's like the weighted tray in a sense of you have to pay for whatever you take from here. And then for those pricings, you do have to scan that at the bottom of the refrigerator. So then if we close this, these are what the drawers look like. So they're pretty deep. You get two drawers on this counter. And then to the right of all that is your glasses and your ice bucket. This is the TV. And then here is the bed. It is a king size bed. So it has a nice setup. You get two nightstands. And if we walk over to the nightstands, you get two drawers with the nightstands as well, a phone, a light to control these, and the lights above the bed. And then on the side of the nightstand, you get some outlets as well. So you can charge your electronics and things like that. And that goes for both nightstands, not just the one or the other. And then of course, for the curtains on the windows, you can control them using those buttons. You get a couch, a table, and then like a table and a chair. They also provide in-room dining, which is a QR code that you can scan. And then this is the window to show you some of the view. Alright guys, so this is the view that you will see when you're booking a fountain view room. As you can see, the fountain show is going off right now, so you will be able to see that. And then you can also see other casinos such as Caesar's Palace, the Venetian, Harrah's, the Link, the Flamingo, Drea's Nightclub, Paris, Bally's, or what is soon to be the Horseshoe, and Planet Hollywood. You can also see a little bit of the Cosmopolitan from here as well. And then right below us is the pool for the actual hotel. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have stayed in the Fountain View room or what your experiences are at the casino and hotel. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!